Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use your Huawei OptiX router, from key features to mesh setup and troubleshooting. Let's get your Wi-Fi up and running. This is the OptiX, a high-performance Wi-Fi router designed for fast speeds, stable connections, and whole home coverage. The OptiX router delivers strong performance for streaming, gaming, and multiple devices at the same time. With Wi-Fi 7 and dual-band high-performance Wi-Fi, you get faster speeds, lower latency, and more stable connections throughout your home. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port lets you fully maximize high-speed fiber plans, giving you a fast and reliable wired connection for gaming PCs or smart TVs. The OptiX also supports mesh networking, allowing you to expand coverage easily and eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones. And with the plug-and-play smart auto detection, setup is quick and hassle-free. Just connect the cables, power it on, and you're ready to go. Before we start, make sure you have your modem, OptiX router, power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. Connect the Ethernet cable from your modem's LAN port to the WAN port on the OptiX. Next, plug in the power adapter and switch on the router. Wait for about 1 or 2 minutes for the router to fully start up. A steady light means it's ready.
You can now connect your phone or laptop to the Wi-Fi using the SSID name and WLAN key printed on the router label. To extend coverage, you can turn the Huawei router into a mesh network by adding another OptiX. Place and hold the second router halfway between the main router and the low signal area. Power it on. Press and hold the mesh or WPS button on the main router, then on the second router. They will pair automatically. Once connected, the mesh indicator light will turn solid, confirming successful pairing. Primary node. Place it centrally in your home, on a table or shelf, away from the floor. Keep away from electronics like microwaves or cordless phones. Secondary node. Position within 1 to 2 walls of the main node for a strong backhaul signal. Avoid thick concrete walls, metal appliances, closets, or behind TVs. Focus on high-use areas, like living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. Troubleshooting. If the router shows a steady white light, it means that everything's good. The device is working normally and you're connected to the internet. If the router shows a steady red light, it means that there's no internet connection. Check whether the cable to the main gateway is loose, or if the main gateway itself is down. If the router is showing a blinking red light, it means that the device is in pairing mode. It's looking for a mesh neighbor or a WPS device. If you didn't start this, just leave it alone. It'll exit on its own in about 2 minutes. If you still cannot connect to your Wi-Fi, restart the router and wait for the lights to stabilize. If mesh fails to connect, move the second router closer and repeat the pairing process. And that's it. Your OptiX router is now set up, connected, and ready to deliver fast, reliable Wi-Fi across your home. Hit that follow button and stay tuned for more simple guides on improving your Wi-Fi experience at home. Whenever you need support, we're right here to help.